black accents on the Swoosh and Shox cushioning. This next colorway is mostly light bone, striking a subtle tone. Because of this, attention is drawn to the model's eccentric tooling, with the intricate TPU leather layering at the top standing out. All-day comfort is achieved underfoot thanks to two significant Nike running innovations, Zoom Air in the forefoot and Shox in the heel. Its price is arguably the main drawback of the Shox Ride 2. With a retail price of $190, the model is in the top sneaker price range, alongside high-end New Balance and sought-after Jordan models. However, you could argue that there is some good value if you use the model on a daily basis. Although the Nike Shox Ride 2 Light Bone has no set release date, we expect the model's $190 normal price to arrive in the summer or fall of 2025.